Today we're diving into the impressive 2024 Supra 450 SL, a wake and surf boat that combines luxury, performance, and innovation. Let's take a closer look at what makes this boat a standout on the water. First up, the 450 SL boasts a bold and modern design with sharp lines and customized black and white color pattern. The deep V-hull not only looks sleek, but ensures a smooth ride. Plus, the boat's 23-foot length and spacious beam provide ample room for up to 17 of your family and friends. At the rear, you'll find that the oversized swim platform perfect for easy water access. Supra's Swell Surf 3.0 system is a game changer, delivering clean, customizable wakes for surfing and wakeboarding. Adjust the wave size and shape with intuitive controls. Under the hood, this boat is powered by the Raptor by Indmar 6.2-liter V8 engine, delivering incredible torque and efficiency. Whether you're pulling riders or cruising the lake, this boat has the power and agility to handle it all with ease. Stepping on board, let's talk about the bow and cockpit seating. Up front, the spacious bow area features plush cushions and ergonomic backrests, making a perfect spot to relax and enjoy the view. In the cockpit, the wraparound seating configuration maximizes space and social interaction. With a swivel captain's chair and convertible rear bench, you'll have a variety of seating options to suit your needs. The helm is the command center for the 450 SL, featuring Supra's vision control system. The dual touchscreen displays put everything at your fingertips, from speed and ballast control to the surf settings and navigation, and the rear thrusters for mobility. Plus, the premium DSD audio sound system lets you pump your favorite tunes with crystal clear quality. The Supra 450 SL isn't just about performance, it's also packed with comfort and convenience features. Heated seats, RGB accent lighting, and the power tower with sunshade ensure you're riding in style and comfort all day long. The 2024 Supra 450 SL truly sets the bar for luxury wake and surf boats. Whether you're chasing the perfect wave or enjoying a relaxing day with friends, this boat has everything you need. Ready to see it for yourself? Check it out at Sea Ray of Cincinnati.